So basically the moral of the story is more.
We did.
Oh my God. You smell very nice.
All right, let's do All My Life.
I could have died in the river. We're still a chance for some of them here to survive.
Whoa! I like it. Let's give it up for ourselves.
I think be conscientious of don't.
Groove my hips and not my head.
Yes, there we go. That's good. More booty, less head.
More.
More. I love that. Thank you.
Chickens and snips are not as low as they used to be.
Put more knees into it. More.
And
Can that be turned up, Jordan?
Like in your ears or in the space?
Let's work together on this one today.
I love collaborating, man.
great, let's do a blackout check. Let's start closing.
All right,
doors,
make
please.
yourself safe, everyone.
It's time to warm up.
Thank you.
We decided this place absolutely had to be haunted. We periodically make offerings to the ghost to keep him happy. Here's our little ghosty.
The warm-up room and the prayer and contemplation room, because God knows I have to pray before this motherfucker.
This show is really sweaty. It's very easy to smell like. These shits are the. They're Manuka honey drops.
Manuka honey.
What is that, a G?
Manuka honey.
That's as high as I can go.
Honey.
You sound great up there. You sound great.
Thank you. Placement is everything. Placement is everything. Can you film me Googling something? Oh, they don't know.
What are you Googling?
When is Jesus coming back?
Come in. Oh. What are you doing here, Jordan?
He's learning the A2 track.
You're learning A2? You have such rough hands when it comes to taping.
Yeah, I'm gonna be sandpaper skin.
I don't think we really need this one.
We need it. That's the one that makes me feel most secure.
Great, then we have to do it.
Okay.
What's the one that makes you feel the most insecure?
Oh, God. It's not about the tape. It's these pants. Just kidding.
And this is where I usually tell him that he needs to put his chain on.
Thank you.
Can you put your chain on?
Yes, sir.
Jordan, you're learning so well.
When's Dutch releasing new albums?
Mexodus Company, this is Places.
It's time.
Please.
All right.
I'm in the hearts.
I'm in the heart. That's what we say here.
I'm in the hearts.
Yeah.
Hearts.
All praises be. Let's do it.
Stand by after.